Today is Brownie's last day. We're going on a short drive, right?
Whoa!
Just from the house to the barn.
Whoa.
Hey, piggy pigs, come on, here you go. There's Brownie. We ran out of brown bales, gave him the last this morning. And what has been something that set off worry and concern in the past, oh no, we gotta find more bales of hay, is not a big deal now. Because we're about to be without a cow for the first time in, I think, a year and a half. He wants to come close. It's like he wants that connection. He definitely wants the scratching. We never set out to tame Brownie though. Bree wanted to halter break him. I never did. I said he's a beef steer. We don't need to have him as a pet. Brownie. He's been a good steer. Today we're getting ready to do all the stuff to send him off to be butchered. What are you doing, chicken? Looking for something in here, huh? Nothing in there. We decided to take him down and have him cut up professionally just because I just don't have the hands-on experience in cutting up cows, and it's such a large volume. I think the next time we have a cow to do, which we will in the future, I'll probably do it myself. I'm doing our hogs 100%. I'm not sending any work off on the hogs. All right, let's load up. Let's go on a ride.
Yeah.
Jump in. We're going back to the house. Ready? Time for lunch. Okay, let's go. Lunch looks good.
Working on the food for tomorrow because we're feeding everyone, so keeping it simple. Tacos. Just soaking beans. Always add a little vinegar or whey or what have you, because it breaks down the anti-nutrients. Anyway, you can find that in, what's the name of the cookbook?
Nourishing Traditions.
Nourishing Traditions. It's called a plowman's lunch.
Because we got a lot to do. A lot of plowing.
A plowing to do. But we have butter and bread too.
Yep. I guess that's what I'm looking for. I'm cleaning out the bed of the truck and cleaning off a giant tarp. That's what Brownie's gonna ride into the butcher shop tomorrow. We got clean side folded on clean side. We're gonna fold it up and put it away. Right. All right, fold it together. We're gonna stick it where it won't blow away. I'm working on this gambrel setup. I don't have a heavy enough duty gambrel. I haven't found one at retail, and this was chain and a giant rebar. The chain is gonna loop around this. The rebar will run behind through his tendons, and then this is gonna go up to the neighbor's tractor. The weakest link in this system is this single chain up at the top, and it's rated at 1,300 pounds. So I don't think we'll have a problem with that. Justice has been gathering me buckets that we're gonna clean for odds and ends, and now he's going to clean in the barn. We're mostly cleaning up this barn not because I plan on using this space. It's not gonna rain, I don't think, but it's just kind of to give the kids a place to play out of the wind if it's cold. This is kind of morbid, but I wanted to see how Brownie would respond when I threw him a hay and brought something into his head here. Okay, he doesn't care if I put something close to his head. I'm just trying to think of everything that could go wrong, and one thing that might go wrong is he might shy away from the gun, but he apparently doesn't care. The only difference tomorrow will be the goats will be inside. Yeah, that's right. What you talking about back there? One of my last jobs here is to run out this extension cord for a sawzall for splitting the carcass. What are you doing out here, Mr. Pajama? How's your nap?
Good.
These boys and I are gonna go across the road, talk to the neighbor who's bringing the tractor to just confirm our time with him. And then we just gotta cut that rebar and then we'll be done.
The cat was nesting on the eggs.
She was trying to sit on the eggs.
He was. Well, there's a nest in there with a bunch, but I don't know if a chicken's sitting on them or what's going on.
I think we're about ready for tomorrow.
Good. That's exciting. But are we ready for next week?
No,
That's
we're
next
not yet.
week's job, huh?
I'm gonna go talk to our neighbor.
Okay, you're gonna take Brighton. He wants to go with you.
Yep. Well guys, thanks for joining us for Brownie's last full day as we're getting ready for our first butchering of a steer. Don't forget to show up tomorrow and join us for that butchering video, which we'll try to keep tasteful and educational. See you tomorrow. Bye.